Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Sony NW A100 with any headphones that have Bluetooth connection. So in order to do this, we'll need to turn on our Bluetooth on this device. So there's actually a few ways we can access it, and the first one and the simple one is to scroll down our notification bar. Then we can scroll down again if you can't already see this Bluetooth right here, and click on it. Now our Bluetooth will turn on. We can also hold our finger onto it, and that way we'll access settings. The other way to do it is to scroll down like this, move to the settings, find the connected devices, locate per device or connection preferences. Here you'll be able to find Bluetooth, make sure it's on, and if you want to pair another device, you'll need to click on this plus right here. And here you can see my headphones. I'm gonna press on that and they should pair in a second. Now let's pair. And my headphones are paired right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.